Since 1994, Equiptec has been supporting workers worldwide with height access solutions to help our customers own the high ground. We now present Equiptec's revolutionary patented adjustable height platform system, or AHP, made by experienced manufacturers and built for use on some of the world's toughest jobs. Adjustable height platforms provide unmatched versatility and efficiency and give you and your workers absolute confidence that they are in a safe environment when working at height. You can now access multiple different height tasks with a single Equiptec AHP, so you can replace your many fixed height work platforms with one Giraffe G20 or Monkey MX21 adjustable height platform. Unlike elevated work platforms, Equiptec's AHPs allow your workers to walk right up to their jobs safely and ergonomically without harnesses, while maintaining safe egress to the ground level at all times. With fast and simple height adjustment systems and compact designs, working in tight spaces is easy with a consistent minimal floor footprint. Reach over obstacles at heights up to 20 feet with accessories available to extend the unit height and deck length. Add safety cages, barrier systems, all-terrain wheels, trailer versions, or other customizations to suit your exact needs. Enjoy hands-free access with spacious, non-slip, easy gradient stairs that remain constant at any platform height. Further features include anti-sway platform locks, front and side access gates, easy hydraulic height adjustment, and a firm rear safety bar. Both the G20 and MX21 AHPs have forklift pockets and can be folded to a compact size for storage or transport. With a lifetime warranty available, Equiptec's height solutions deliver absolute confidence. To learn more about the G20 and MX21 adjustable height platforms, visit equiptec.co, so you can own the high ground.